Even in her worst nightmares, I don't think that Amber Heard thought it was going to be this bad. I think that she thought she'd be able to get away with everything, that she would be able to lie about Johnny Depp, destroy his career, all to try to prop herself up as some sort of fake victim, and she'd be able to get away with it. Well, she wasn't able to get away with it, not in the public eye and not in a court of law, as Amber Heard was found to have defamed Johnny Depp and now owes millions and millions of dollars that she cannot pay. And not only is Amber Heard now desperate to save a little bit of her reputation, but she's also broke. Amber Heard is broke due to mounting legal fees and lavish spending, according to sources. She's someone who likes to spend money like an A-list actor or actress when she is absolutely not that. And after all of this, after how she's embarrassed herself and destroyed her own reputation, I don't think you're going to be getting much work, Amber, because the entire world saw you're a very bad actress. But this has not stopped Amber Heard and her legal team from continuing to try to spin this thing. We know that in the immediate aftermath, Amber Heard put out this statement that has been ratioed on Twitter. She did not allow comments on, but we certainly see all the quote tweets compared to all of the likes, where she essentially doubled down and said, he did do this to me, and it's a sad day for all women. This is a terrible day for women. The only person who's hurt women in this case, the only person who's hurt true survivors is Amber Heard. And now her lawyer is out there making an absolute embarrassment of this entire thing, still trying to claim the same things that they got blown out of the water on. Amber Heard's attorney calls Johnny Depp lawsuit win a major setback for women, cites suppressed evidence. And I want to listen to a little bit of this because even the mainstream media, even the people at CBS News, even the people that are on Amber Heard's side are starting to question, how did you lose if things are the way you say they are? Take a listen.
We heard Amber's reaction to the verdict yesterday. This seems to be a huge victory for Johnny Depp this morning.
Yeah, a major setback for women, for women inside the courtroom and outside the courtroom.
Because?
And just to make it clear, Elaine was out here. Elaine, the lawyer who, again, her career is probably over too because she's an embarrassingly bad lawyer. She was out there saying the same thing on every single network, the same bullet points. That's what she was doing. It was to try to save face. It's trying to do PR. She is a liar. That's why she works for Amber Heard.
Because basically what this said, Amber had an enormous amount of evidence, although a lot of it was suppressed in this case as opposed to the UK. But look at all the women who have no evidence. All these women who suffer from domestic violence, domestic abuse, they don't have evidence. And
Amber Heard did not have any compelling evidence. She didn't. Not compared to what someone like, say, Johnny Depp had. Johnny Depp had all the evidence and all the testimony in the world to back up the actual physical injuries he sustained. They have recordings of Amber Heard admitting to doing things to Johnny Depp. Amber Heard had none of that because it was all made up. It was all lies. And now a jury has found that in a court of law.
basically what this jury said is unless you pull out your cell phone and you tape record your spouse beating you, you're out of luck.
But Elaine, I think it was bigger than that because you had the evidence, as you say, but they did not believe her. Why do you think they did not believe her?
That is a big question. Amber Heard had a lot of time to spin her tale and spin her story. No one believed her. The jury didn't believe her because she was lying to everyone. She was not telling the truth. That's why this is so important. That's why this thing was so huge, because it's a story about a woman trying to destroy a man's life with lies, and she got blown the fuck out. Now listen to what she's about to say and how the mainstream media, even at this point, is going to call her on this.
I think that a lot of that was that it was Johnny Depp. I think the celebrity status.
But she's a celebrity too.
And it's not only not
she's
her.
but she's a celebrity too.
Right.
How do you answer that? She's also someone who's been in these movies. She's also an actress. Do you have an answer to that? Of course, no. Elaine's going to stutter her way through it and try to answer.
But you have to remember, it's a tale of two trials. All the evidence came in the UK. Mr. Depp brought that one. The burden of proof was on the son in the UK because they had called him a wife beater and talked about the domestic violence. And
again, trying to bring in the UK trial, which is not even against Amber Heard. Amber Heard was a witness in that trial. This was not Amber Heard's trial in the UK. It was Johnny Depp versus a tabloid newspaper. in an entirely different country with an entirely different legal system. This is the United States of America, and this is Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. And we found out that Amber Heard lied about Johnny Depp, and now she owes him millions of dollars that she will never be able to pay. But the mainstream media isn't done wrecking Amber Heard's lawyer's argument here.
But, you know, in this case, the jury not only didn't believe Amber Heard, but in ruling that she acted with actual malice, that means she had the intent to cause harm, right? That's a pretty high standard to have proven.
And it's pretty amazing since the op-ed never even mentioned Mr. Depp. You have to remember that. What they learned from the UK case is to demonize Amber, which is what they did, and to try to suppress as much of the evidence that came in the UK and did not come in the United States.
That's what every single appearance she makes. It is like the same 3 or 4 things over and over again. They just tried to demonize Amber. Oh, this is bad news for women everywhere. Oh, well, in the UK trial. Oh, well, you know, the op-ed didn't even mention his name. You'd think that after losing a case focused on these talking points for 7 weeks, maybe you'd find something else, Elaine. But I don't know how much longer Elaine's actually going to be working for Amber Heard. She can only get paid so much, and it looks like Amber Heard is completely and totally broke and out of money after trying to destroy someone else's life. Good. That's what you get. We need punishments for people who falsely accuse others of DV and other things in this world. Absolutely. I'm glad that this is happening. I'm glad that Amber Heard is going to be struggling to find a way to pay off Johnny Depp for the rest of her life. And I'm glad the entire world has seen what she did to Johnny Depp. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Smash a like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, share this video out there, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, everyone, and a huge shout out to my patrons. I appreciate you guys so much. Want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram? Check out the description below. You'll find links to my P.O. box and my Patreon as well. And I'll talk to you guys later.